Welcome to the Rose Corporation.
How did Roses become involved with steelwork?
The owner's wife's name was Rosemary, and he said that the reason that he was so successful was due to her support. So he named the company after his wife as a tribute.
So what does the Rose Corporation manufacture?
We're building units that clean the air 99.9%. So we're actually building equipment that helps the ecosystem.
Here at the Rose Corporation, we do a lot of in-house manufacturing, and a lot of times the customer requires us to go out and install whatever piece of equipment we're building.
One of the things that makes us a little different is we are a steel fabricator, and there are a lot of steel fabricators, but we actually build a finished product for a customer. So all the electrical wiring, the gas piping, refactory work is done here. So we're actually shipping a completed design unit to his customer.
What I like about this company is after being here for 10 years, it's a smaller company, about 50 to 100 people. Everyone here feels like a family, and they treat you with respect.
Do you need any special training to become a welder?
Well, some people are self-taught or just have the willingness to learn. I actually went to Thaddeus Stevens College of Technology, which is a 2-year school for metal fabrication and welding. That school actually taught you a little bit of the areas of all parts of fabrication, from the part of where it starts in the office, where they do the layout, to where it goes to the cutting table, to the saw. But the part that I liked the most was the welding part.
What's so cool about manufacturing?
Well, what I think is so cool about manufacturing is we're taking basically raw materials, flat steel, angles and bars, and then we're making a product out of it, and then we actually see the end result blasted and painted. So it's cool to see raw materials come in and a finished product go out.
It's the fact that when you're in this industry and you're playing with metal, you can literally build anything you want once you learn how to. You know, you see a fence that you like and you're like, hey, I'm going to put that in my house. Or you see a bed frame that you like and you're like, yeah, I'm not buying that, I'm going to make it, you know. So you always get to put your own twist on things, and I think it's just cool to be able to build the world around you.